Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will be giving you some tips on how to make FBomatic, the Facebook importer plugin, work with some new Facebook related changes. So if you are using the cookie method, so the cookie authentication method using the CUser and XS cookie values in plugin settings, to extract content from pages and groups from Facebook, then you might want to check this video if you are not getting full resolution images or full content posts from Facebook. So you have two things to check before contacting support. So the first thing to check is that in this settings field you have 2000 or a higher value. So it is recommended to set here 2000 milliseconds or even 5000 milliseconds. This means that the plugin will wait 2 seconds, or if you set it to 5000, then it will wait 5 seconds between each consecutive request that it makes to Facebook. So like this, they will not be alerted that somebody is accessing their resources too often, and they will not ban the access to the pages for your website, for your server, and also for the plugin. So be sure this is set to 2000 at least. And the second thing to check is that your Facebook account on which you are using these cookies for. So if you are using these cookies from your Facebook account, then the Facebook account that you are using these cookies should have the classic view. So I'm sure that you are aware that Facebook is experimenting with the new modern look that it will be pushing out soon. Be sure that the account that is using these cookies is switched to the classic look before using the cookies generated by the account in plugin settings. So if the account is automatically switched for you to the modern look on Facebook, switch it back to classic, and the importing of content should work also with high resolution images and more content for imported posts. So these are the two recommendations: setting this value here to 2000 and more, or setting the classic view for the account for which you are using these cookies in your plugin settings. So check these two. If these are not matching, you can contact support and I will be happy to help further. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped debug the FBomatic issues that you might have with this plugin. Until next time, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.